What's up guys, welcome back to my channel and welcome back to the 12 days of tutorials. We are on day 12, the last tutorial. Make sure you subscribe to my channel if you haven't already to get notified when I upload a video. I do want to apologize about the lighting. So the wind is just really bad and it's super cold and my house is very old. So that kind of rhymed. So the electric is going in and out, and I had to kind of change places to be able to film this, and I'm using like a small ring light, so the lighting is just probably very terrible compared to what it usually is, so just bear with me. And I want to let you know, my left eye has been twitching, like underneath has been twitching for like 3 days, maybe 4. So when you're zoomed in and we're doing the tutorial, if you start seeing this eye kind of like twitching, it's just been doing that. I don't know why, so just letting you know. So for today's video, we're gonna use a palette that somebody actually requested. I'm gonna be using the Sigma Cor-De-Rosa palette. I actually haven't used this palette in a long time. This is a really nice palette for like the fall, but I think we can come up with something. So let me zoom you in and we will get started. So I did prime my eyes with the Rare Beauty eye primer and then set it with some powder. So the first shade we're gonna go into is Hybrid, and I'm using a Morphe brush. It's kind of like a fluffier brush. And I am going to start by putting that in the crease. We're gonna use this as the transition shade. With the same brush, I'm going to go into Cor-De-Rosa, and I'm going to put that in the crease as well, but I'm just going to kind of use this to blend out that transition shade, just kind of deepen it up a little bit more. Now I'm going to go into Medallion with a Sigma E25, and I'm going to put that in the crease, just lower, literally like right above my lid. I'm going back to my first brush and I'm just kind of blending these shades together. Now I'm going to go into Bare Root with a Morphe M433 brush. And that's going to go on my inner and outer lid. I might change the brush to put it on my inner lid. I'm not sure yet. So I did change to a Sigma E55 brush for the inner corner. I'm going back to my Sigma E25 just to kind of blend that shade into the crease. I'm going to take the shade Campfire with my finger, and that's going to go in the middle of my lid. I'm going to go back to my Morphe brush and just kind of like tap on the edges of that shimmer that I just put down. And then take my Sigma E25 and blend it over top. I'm going to take Belle of the Ball with a Morphe flat brush, and I'm just going to kind of put that up the middle of that shimmer shade. So that's it for the top part of the eyes. Let me go do my face makeup and we'll finish up the bottom. All right, I'm back. At the end of the tutorial, I'll let you know all the products I used on my face. With the NARS 14 brush, I'm going into Medallion, and I'm putting that along the entire lower lash line. With the same brush, I'm going to go into Veranda, and I'm going to use that to blend out the lower lash line. And then I'm going to go back into Campfire with a Sigma E20, and I'm going to put that just right in the middle of my lower lash line. And then I'm going to go into Belle of the Ball with a Sigma LO4. That is going to be my inner corner highlight. I think I'm also going to put it that shade under my brow, just like right in the middle. So that's it. So let me go do lashes and liner, and I'll be back to show you the finished look. All right, I am back, and here's the finished look. Alright, so for my face, I used the Hourglass Ambient Soft Glow Foundation. I have it in the shade 5. I absolutely love this foundation. For my bronzer, I used the Makeup by Mario, the Soft Sculpt Stick, I think it's called. Soft Sculpt Shaping Stick in the shade Light Medium. For my blush, I used the Jaclyn Cosmetics Cream to Powder Blush Stick in the shade Swoon, which is like a really orangey shade. For my highlight, which you probably can't really see, I used the Jaclyn Cosmetics highlighter in the shade Iced. And then for my lips, as always, the Makeup by Mario, the Lip Lift Kit, and the lip liner's in the shade Smoky Pink, and then the lipstick is in the shade Erin. I did use the Huda Beauty Easy Bake powder in the shade Cupcake. I did use that. So here is the finished look. I think it came out okay. I was having trouble, as I usually do, with lashes. I don't know why I have a hard time with lashes or why I can't put them on. I try and use my fingers. I try and use different tools. I use glue, putting them on the lash strips. I even put the glue on my lid. I tried magnetic glue. I've tried eyeliner glue. I don't know why, but I just have such a hard time. But that is it, guys, for the 12 days of tutorials. It is Christmas Eve, and I can't believe that we're finished. Thank you guys so much for watching and, coming with me on this journey of the 12 days of tutorials. This was the first time I did this series. I'm not sure. I probably will continue this, next year. Make sure you guys subscribe to my channel if you haven't already to get notified when I upload a video. I typically upload videos based on new high-end product releases, most of them, not all of them, but most of them. So if you like high-end products, or if there's a product that's coming out or that came out that you are interested in but want to see it used or you want to see it in action before purchasing, let me know. I will be glad to get that product and try it out for you. So again, thank you guys so much for watching today's video, and I hope to see you all again soon.